Okay, I'm gonna do a quick video on how to adjust your screen time or display to have it to go off and on at a certain amount of time. If you want to keep it on for 24 hours forever, if you want it to go off after 15, 20 minutes, just go down here where you see your battery life. You see right there, and you right click on your mouse and you go to power. You click on power. Once you click on the power, go right over here where it says choose when to turn off the display. Click on that. You see mine is set for 30 minutes. I'm going to change it for an hour. And when it's plugged in, I want the same thing, an hour. And also to put the computer into sleep mode. I say after, let's say after 30 minutes, I want to change to 30 minutes to go to sleep. Even when it's plugged in, 30 minutes. And I hit save changes. And that's it. As simple as that. So I know you don't like these long videos, so I'm make it short and simple. That's how you adjust your screen time and display times. All right, thanks for watching and subscribe to my channel.